What happens when science meets art? What happens when intelligence meets innovation? We get more power and efficiency than we ever thought possible. In fact, we get top-of-the-class electrical efficiency of 48.7%. Stable power output and reliable efficiency in any ambient conditions. And a combined heat and power solution with over 90% efficiency. Plus a revolutionary 3-module concept, giving you an engine, a 2-stage turbocharging unit, and a generator, ensuring standardization, fast installation, and easy maintenance. Also allowing for plant flexibility with multiple engine installations in a standardized modular powerhouse. And combining the multiple engine concept with a 5-minute startup time provides flexible power throughout operating cycles. We're even here to help you realize your power plant